Hi, my name is Peter Hiddema, and I am one of the facilitators and instructors for the Commanding Presence workshop, Advanced Communication Skills and Presentation Skills. This workshop is something that I think is useful for almost anybody in a management position or above. What we find is our clients tend to need skills like speaking, like presenting, like engaging with people much more as they progress through their careers. In our early stages, technical skills are the most important, your ability to do your basic job. But as you progress, these other skills become much more important. And so those are exactly the focus of the in-person workshops. We're able to videotape you, review the videotapes, provide immediate coaching and very tangible feedback. So we're going to talk about all that. We're going to work on all that. How do you manage anxiety? Most of you in your advanced questionnaires said something about getting more comfortable, gaining more confidence, managing nervousness or nerves. So it is a very common dilemma. And one of the things we'll try to work on is how can you transfer the kind of comfort that you have when you're just talking with a friend or a colleague to standing here and speaking to people. Is there a way to do that? And if so, how would you do it? So there's a lot of opportunity for sharing, discussing. There's small group workshops. And in terms of what you actually walk away with, there are several very specific and tangible things. Number one, a method called the focus method to literally help you focus when you are delivering your speeches or speaking to an audience. It helps you say less and say it better. I'll say that again, say less and say it better. I think that's one of the key tools of someone who's an effective presenter. Second, it helps you manage the most common dilemma for many people, the anxiety or fear that gets in the way of speaking well and connecting with people. That leads us to the third thing, this ability to really genuinely, in an authentic way, connect with your audience. So we work on helping you be present there in the moment, not somewhere else, not worrying about things that you shouldn't be thinking about, but being there with those people. There are also specific tangible things we do, like helping you speak from notes in a way that is, again, authentic, conversational, and managing specific logistical things like the layout of the room, the setup of the room, interruptions, latecomers, and other kinds of things that can get in the way. How do you use the space? How do you present yourself? All of these things are things that are covered in our in-person workshop, and our participants tend to find a really significant and meaningful difference immediately that they can apply on an ongoing basis. We hope you come and join us. Thank you.